Okay, the purpose of this drill is multifold. 1 is to work on your general core strength. 2 is to work on knowing what to do with each hand individually. And then 3, being able to have the capacity to do both things concurrently, but it's rub your head, pat your belly because you're in opposite direction. So equally useful may be this, where you turn to the side and you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. And never even put it together and come back to the front and do it on the other side. The 2 hands being in opposite direction and maintaining it just like this. Maintaining that opposite direction, and then, oh wait, sorry, that's the wrong opposite direction. Should be left over, right under. Just even having the one hand spin while the other one is staying small, like the one hand go big while the other one's small is a challenge. If you face the side, so just for the purposes of this drill, we're going to face the side, but I want to play a little game. I want you to start your poi in the side, left over, right under, and then stop. Left overhand, right underhand, spin 4 times, and then stop. Left overhand, right underhand, spin 4 times, and stop. Left overhand, right underhand, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Left overhand, right underhand, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Left overhand, right underhand, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Left overhand, right underhand, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Left overhand, right underhand, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Right overhand, left underhand, right? And then stop. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right over, left under, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. And 5, 6, 7, 8, right over, left under, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. 6, 7, 8, right over, left under, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. 6, 7, 8, right over, left under, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. 6, 7, 8, right over, left under, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. 6, 7, 8, right over, left under, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. 6, 7, 8, right over, left under, 2, 3, 4, and stop. 6, 7, 8. The next step, it would be this. Start in your butterfly, turn left, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, and then repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn back to the front, turn to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, then repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn to the front, turn to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. And we start it up, right over, left under, and 1, 2, 3, 4, front, to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Then we're going to start it left over, right under, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn left to the front, turn left to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. This particular drill is designed to help you maintain the timing and practice moving between them, but not repeating it too long on either side, so you have to have enough facility to change between them. And it's also giving you the connection back to the butterfly.